What can you say?
Interesting yung palabas. I don't expect anything, pero surprisingly maganda siya. Tsaka yun yung maganda eh. Yung papasok ka na wala kang idea sa story and then habang tumatagal, it's so interesting. So nakaka-hook siya. So you must watch it kasi iba yung atake dito. It's really good.
Kaya ikaw papasok sa isang backroom. Sa palagay mo makakalabas ka.
Ako yung unang mamamatay for sure. As in, sige na, ayaw na mapagod. But again, interesting, nakakatakot actually, nakakakaba. Ito yung mga jump scare niya, masyadong hindi mo gugulatin, kinatakutin ka not because of the jump scare, but yung dun sa kakabahan ka kasi feeling mo meron yung something. Listen, ganun, nakakatakot.
Please invite them.
Yeah, please watch Please watch Backroom. Showing na yan nationwide next week, so you must watch it with your friends.
Thank you, TJ.
Thank you.